Right, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. You're probably wondering, Rich, what on earth are you doing? Why have you gone out and brought a really old fucking bike when you got this beautiful MT-09 over here? Well, let's be honest, it's winter, it's cold, it's wet, it's raining, it's dark, I work shift work, I hardly ever get any time to go out. I'm actually pretty busy with loading my bike now as well. So I thought, you know what? When I got a couple of spare hours, I could just rebuild something on the side. I don't care about making profit on it. How cool would it be to take a, when is it, 1999? So a 26-year-old bike, it's almost as old as me, a 26-year-old bike that's been abandoned since 2013 and build it to its former glory. How sick would that be? I'll take you guys along the way with me. And you might learn a thing or two, I might learn a thing or two, or we just have fun whilst doing it, and you boys can let me know what modifications to do to it. Do I put aftermarket exhaust on it? Do I change the colours? Do I da-da-da-da? You know, there's loads of things. And then we'll just go and make loads of videos on the bike and then either sell it, raffle it off, give it away. Who cares? Let's just have fun. So you would have seen a couple of cinematics of the bike. I'm going to go round it now and determine probably what needs doing to it, because it was sold to me as a running project. I will chuck in a couple of clips of me about a week ago going to collect it, because it did not look like that when I collected it. Like half the fairings are still up here, the carbs are up here and everything. So I'll insert those clips now and then resume back to me here. Right guys, so as you know, we are looking for a project bike for the channel. I've just come across this YZF Thundercat. I don't know why he's put R1. It's not an R1, it's a 600cc. But it is pretty salvageable, I reckon. He did say the engine was running. It's on 88,000 miles. They're decent little bikes. I've just been looking up some reviews and that on them, as you can see here. So I'm going to mess it and see if we can go and pick it up in the next like hour or so. It's about an hour and 20 minutes away, so we shall see. It is a little bit dark out, but... Right guys, so as you would have seen in the last clip, I was putting a little bid in for the Thundercat 600R. So we are on our way. It's about 7:45 at the moment. I know we're stupid. We just pulled up service to get some more fuel. But he accepted the offer. He took £200, so we're heading there now to go get it. Hopefully, depending on how dark it is, I might be able to record once I've actually collected it, if I can stop at the services under the fuel station lights and show you guys what we actually brought. Right guys, so we made it back. So this is currently how the Thundercat 600R is looking. It's not great, I'll be honest. Right, so as you would have seen, that's what it looked like when we pick up. Sorry for the clips. My missus didn't know how to work the gimbal. She probably will know how to work it more than me, because she'll watch a video on it, learn, and I don't. But yeah, so let's have a look at the actual bike. Let's get it off the trailer and check it out and see what the plans are with the bike. Guys, it's gotten very chilly, but just saw me unload it. This is obviously what the bike's looking like. So we got a bit of damage here to the fairing, like cracked fairing bolts everywhere. The indicators are jammed. It's also broke the fairing. Obviously all scratchy. It looks like it's had like a little bump and slide down the line. Engine casing's been resprayed as well, because I don't think that's the original, because it looks very low quality. As you can see there, it looks like someone's tried to, I don't know, they don't look like original bolts. They look like someone's took them off in the past. Missing a sort of like a arch filler in there. I mean, wheel speed sensors currently here. Pretty sure this wheel speed sensor goes in there somewhere. The brake seen better days. I mean, overall, the bike's just old and abandoned. I mean, the chain looks like it's about to snap. All of these fans are pretty much scuffed. Sorry, just start working the gimbal. The exhaust don't look too bad. Probably just needs a nice little polish up. Probably about the only good thing on it, and probably a new seal there, as you can see. Whatever this is, oh, that holds the brake. As you can see, that is flashed. It's got good ridge lines, so you know, someone looked after it once upon a time. That shock inside there as well, if you can see. That needs replacing, that looks hideous. There's currently no oil filler cap, there's probably no oil in there. Looks pretty dry. But yeah, again, same here. I mean, it might need a new engine. The radiator needs replacing because that's all dented in. All of this, clips need replacing, this needs replacing. The tank's not even on. And the carbs are not in there, they are in the garage. As you can see there, the choke line and the throttle cables all look perished. It basically, this basically needs a full restoration. I mean, the front mudguard looks all right. As you can see there, that looks all right. The wheels, they've probably seen better days. They are so hard. It's ridiculous. Like, that is bone solid. The forks, they don't look too bad, but probably need replacing. But yeah, I mean, I would love to try and turn it on, but I just put a brand new battery in it and it's getting no power. Can't remember where I left the keys. Let's go grab the keys and see. Maybe one of you guys in the comments can tell me why it's not getting power. It's probably wires, probably wiring somewhere. But if you look here, so put the key in, the key's already like jammed anyway, it takes a while to get it into position. It's very hard. There you go, that's on. Maybe the kill switch is broken, I don't know. But it's getting nothing. Nothing at all. Even when I connected the battery, there was like zero noise, like no buzzing, no nothing. Like, so I don't think it's just the clocks that's not turning on because you can't even get a fuel pump. But yeah, so that is the latest project. I mean, I'm excited. It's going to be a big job, but I think it'll be a fun job. And the bikes as well, like, they're not bad bikes. This is like the, I think, what do you call it, predecessor? Is it predecessor? I think that's the word I'm looking for. This is like the R6 before the R6. This is a YZF Thundercat 600R. They do a Thunder Race 1000R, which is the predecessor to the YZF R1. So they're good bikes. Someone did mention that you can put a 1000R engine in this, but I don't want to do that. I want to keep it all retro, 600cc. I mean, the engine sounds nice anyway, like when it's running. I've watched a couple of YouTube clips, of course. But yeah, I'm excited to see. I think we will keep it red though. I don't know, let me know in the comments, but it is rather nice, as you can see. It's not a bad looking bike for something from 1999. Like, that's a nice looking bike. It does sit very low though. Like, even when I've taken it off the track, I know the back wheel's like a little bit flat, but I think it'd be good. I think I'll take the engine out anyway, because I think I might just clean up all those covers and paint it and stuff like that. But then I should be able to get a good look, like what's actually wrong inside, look at the valves and stuff. Oh God. But yeah, so I do as well. I've got a whiteboard now, boys. Big old whiteboard to write down what the bike needs and what it needs doing. So we're moving up in the world. We're getting a bit more creative. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you're ready for this project build. I will hopefully try to do more moto vlogs, but I'll be honest, I'm I don't consume the content I watch. Like, I don't actually watch many motor vloggers myself, to be honest. I actually, if I'm going to watch a motor vlog, it's more of like a review on a bike. So, yeah, I feel like putting out content that I wouldn't even watch is a bit boring, a bit double-head blade? I don't know what you call it. But yeah, so hopefully this will be a nice project. Hopefully a lot of you will tag along. Hopefully get some new followers, more people to watch. And then, yeah, if any of you've got any tips and tricks on what this bike may need or what it needs, or even if you've got spare parts. I know a few people messaged me already on Instagram saying they've got loads of spare parts. Ride with Callum is one of them. So I'm sure I'll be meeting up with him later in the week to go collect those. But yeah, I'm excited. I think this would be really fun to do. Imagine getting like an old 1999 YZF 600R back on the road in all its glory. I think it'll be such a sick project. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, because every little helps. It does motivate me a bit more. I don't get paid much from YouTube, and I don't really do it for the money. I've had a bit of an intervention recently, so I'm just going to start doing things I actually enjoy, and one of those is rebuilding things and fixing things and DIY and mechanics and so on. So that's what the channel's now going to be more of. I will still do the motor vlogs / I want to get into more reviews, so hopefully those will come. But yeah, I shall see you guys in the next one.